Welcome to the world of GACS Foundation. Under the umbrella of GACS India chapter, GACS Foundation started its activities somewhere in January 2020. Around 300 plus members under the foundation activity, members going back to the community, helping the underprivileged section of the society. With a vision to create a better world and a mission to engage, connect, share, inspire, and enrich individuals with values to live happy and self-sustainable life, and collaborate responsible and supportive and accountable and extend support to build a dynamic sustainable leaders to the human society. With a motto to support the community in living a dignified life by achieving their livelihood goals, GACS Foundation started activity under 4 pillars. First pillar, AHAR, feed the needy. Members have been feeding the migrants and street laborers staying in Delhi and NCR during the COVID pandemic. Till date, around 21,000 needy were fed by this initiative, and it's continuing. Second pillar is a dignified living. Whereas we feel as a foundation members that we want to create and support old age home and spend quality time with the occupant to ensure that they live the balanced life with dignity. Support orphanage home at Ahmedabad, and we are also supporting ORDI patient in Ahmedabad. Third pillar is empowerment for sustainable living. We believe in empowering the community, the underprivileged section of the society, to earn their livelihood. We are supporting tribal talent at Jaipur. We are also working with a unique concept of creating a masala factory, which is managed by a women's self-help group under the sustainable livelihood in Ahmedabad. And also we are supporting juvenile center at Jaipur. The fourth pillar is in education, whereas the members are supporting underprivileged kids living in slums and riverbeds in Delhi and NCR and Ahmedabad, spending quality time during weekends and ensuring that they get a quality education full of values and culture about the country so that they become a good and a better human being and create a better world for all of us in coming future. Educational supports to the high performing kids in the slum areas, in a government schools, or anywhere in the vicinity where we work. If we find somebody who is very talented, comes from an underprivileged society, we contribute a small fund and ensure that he gets a quality higher education so that he becomes a good citizen of this country. Under the National Skill Development Training, housekeeping staff and drivers trained and subsidized training organized for blue collar employees from various corporate and industries. These housekeeping staff and drivers are getting trained by the professionals, and they are getting promoted within their organizations, or they are getting a better job outside, and they are living the successful life today. With a mission of creating a better world, we believe in a journey towards happiness and ivory road. Come, join us and support us. When you all are there, we say the journey begins here. Thank you, friends.